All right, I like to at least produce one video a day just about the funnel that I think, in my opinion, in 2024, it's the best funnel that complements what I do. Okay, so if you're watching my YouTube channel, you know that I do a lot with the company LiveGood, okay? And if you want to check it out, just go to joincory.com. All right, put your name, email address in, watch a short video, 6 minutes, and you can see what I do. Okay. What is it? $10 a month. You can be a member, buy all the products you'd like, from hats to shirts, right down to protein powder, magnesium this, and sports supplement that. All right. Essential oils. There's a lot of cool stuff now. It's all for wholesale for that $10 a month. Okay. It's not like this retail deal on Amazon or Walmart, Target. Okay. So I'm a big fan of LiveGood. Okay. I've been doing it for about 1.5 years, going on 2 years, right around March of April of 2025 coming up. Okay. Today I'm producing the video right around November 19th going into the 20th. Okay. LiveGood turns 2 years old in a couple weeks or so. Okay. December 13th of 2024. That's when LiveGood said, ready, set, go. Let's be an affiliate-based company and get people nice and healthy for a good deal. And maybe we can put some change in people's pockets if they have $40. One-time fee to be an affiliate, but you have to be a member. So anyway, I've learned a lot from joining LiveGood. As a member, just to save money, I like getting wholesale. All right, I spend $10 a month to save about 40, but being an affiliate is a strange experience. I'm not Mr. Network Marketer, Mr. Affiliate marketer. I can't even say the damn word. I don't have this massive list that I've cultivated with friends and family and followers that I, for 6 months, promote like one opportunity. And then when that burns out, go to the next, go to the next. And that's always going to be the deal when it comes to trying to make money online. Okay. Some things will never work out. Then again, other opportunities maybe you're in right now are just kicking buns. But if you're looking for a brand new opportunity and you're watching my video, then you can kind of take in what I'm telling you, because I'm a storyteller. I just like to tell you about the experience I've had with LiveGood and with this funnel system I'm going to show you. And all it is a website where people type in pleasewatchvideo.com. And then you look at the funnel system to see if you need the funnel system. And then there's a couple opportunities that, boom, I like to put in. And if you don't have any opportunities, I hope you look at the ones that I do, because they make money. As of November, going into the 20th of 2024, they kick ass. I don't promote things that don't make me money. I promote Legos and Hot Wheels and crazy things. They're hobbies. But when it comes to business, let's be serious. We want to make the best, nicest chunk of meaty money that we can get. We just want the biggest chunk of dough, don't we? I think you do too. I know I do, because in my opinion, I think it's just as easy to make $9 a day as it is 900. It's all just about scaling and having things that are worth 900 to people. There's plenty of people that pay 90,000 just for cars, 900,000 for homes, 9 million for real big homes in Beverly Hills. But I'm not going to focus on $9 stuff. It's just not enough money. I need to make more. And with LiveGood, when you do sign up in the beginning, you do make $25 if you sign up as a member and affiliate. And that's awesome, because if you take your time over a couple of years and promote LiveGood in a certain way, you can probably get a real nice chunk of change as an affiliate. Okay? But I would like more money now. I'm born in the 60s. I don't have time to wait. I'll just be serious. Okay? Be brutally honest. A brutally honest review of myself. I have a Santa beard. Okay? I've wiped my butt like 25 million times because I've been alive damn near 60 years times 365 days. I don't have time to go to college, city college. I'm not taking online courses that take me 3 to 6 months to get a certificate. But I like to save a couple bucks, buy something, watch short videos, and whatever those videos say to do, by gosh, I do it. And if it makes me money, awesome. I like to spread the word and tell everybody what I do. because that's what an affiliate kind of is. That's what an MLM structured business, that's the goal. All right. Should I put my arms up like a field goal, like a touchdown? Okay. Multiple level pay. Okay. I'm not into this multi-level marketing thing, not like Amway, Tupperware, Newscan, Herbalife, Mary Kay. I could never be successful in those companies because you're forced to buy products that are inflated so that extra money goes to the owners and your upline. You might make a buck or so, and then you got to try to find somebody that might buy the overpriced products too. But you can't put them on Amazon. You can't have a website like a Facebook page. You have to pretend to sell it to people word of mouth. Okay? But if you go to most people's, let's say, garage or extra bedroom that are in a traditional MLM, whatever that company is, there's a lot of products usually in that bedroom. And it's nice because normally you might be able to get free shampoo, conditioner, maybe some real cool stuff from that person. But it's not me because everything I do is online. I do digital information. All right. And with LiveGood, the products, they're distributed out of Jupiter, Florida. And since we're a worldwide business in LiveGood, all right, I let the distribution center do it. DHL International, United States Post Office, local, shipping, handling, credit card processing, returns, all that stuff. That's all taken care of by LiveGood. I just want people to go to a link and click it, watch something, and make a decision. Do I want to join LiveGood? Do I want to join these other opportunities Cory talks about? Because they do complement LiveGood. Salt, pepper. Yeah. Maybe some gravy on those potatoes. Do you just eat turkey plain? I mean, it's okay. But if you have Thanksgiving coming up in a week or so here in America, it's kind of fun to put gravy and some really cool things in that gravy and maybe salt and pepper. And you just slice open that juicy turkey and you just eat it. Okay. That's how I look at LiveGood. It's pretty darn good by itself. It doesn't pay them enough. Not for me right now. I want people to join LiveGood, but I want you to make, my opinion, I can't guarantee, but I want you to make $100, $200, $300, $400, $500 a day. Or maybe that one sign up with LiveGood, since they will, or you might want to buy other things to complement LiveGood to help you write an email, to send that email. Okay? To get a funnel system. Pleasewatchvideo.com. Go there right now. Watch the video and see what I've been doing over the last 6-7 months. I've been number one in this company about 6-7 months out of the last 8. I'm number one again in this company. I just want you to sit back, get a drink, and watch a video. It's about 20 minutes, and it's highly entertaining. And I want you to see how I'm able to make 3 or 4 incomes with one click. Because I just want you to go to pleasewatchvideo.com. I bought this domain at GoDaddy for like $11. I forward it to this page here. And guys, you can use this exact palm tree page. That's a lot of P's. I want you to watch this video. It's a YouTube video and it's highly entertaining. So click it, put your name, sit back and make a decision. Are you in or out? And if you like what you see, I want you to go ahead and join this funnel. Then I'm going to teach you how to put LiveGood as one of the opportunities for people to look into. I want you to look at Legacy Builders Program. Okay, I'm getting real comfortable at making anywhere from $100 to $900 a day just with Legacy. It's online education. LiveGood is just a tremendously nice opportunity for people to get in shape and to make some money. Traffic Authority owns this whole funnel system, and you can buy education or paid leads from Traffic Authority. For $20, you can be an affiliate. Guys, I make $1,000 to $4,000 a month just as an affiliate with Traffic Authority. Thousands a month with LiveGood. I'll make anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 a month with Legacy, and thousands a month with Multiple Income Funnel. When I add up just these 4 opportunities, guys, yes, $10,000 to $15,000 to $17,500 a month from one click. Pleasewatchvideo.com. I want you to do the same thing. I want you to copy. I'll be brutally honest. I'll give you a brutally honest review. I don't want you screwing off doing other things. I want you to do what I've learned. And I'm a storyteller. I'm just going to tell you a story how I do it. If you join anything I do, I send you just nice emails about how I use such service or software, how much it is, why I think it's the best. I even show you how I configure stuff. And then each month you're just going to do a lot of emailing. Okay? You're going to post when you can on social media. If you don't know how, we'll find someone that knows how for you. Maybe a little daughter, maybe a kid, maybe a giraffe in the backyard. Okay? If you have a cell phone, you can do this business. If you're ornery and grouchy and retired, you can do it, Grandpa. Grandma, are you sweet and innocent, you little cutie pie? You making cookies and you bored? All right, let's get you making some money. I want you to be a really fun grandma with a brand new Corvette. I like those 75-year-old ladies driving those Corvettes. Why not? I can't promise you you're going to make all these nickels, dimes, quarters, $100 bills, 10 to 20 to 50,000 a month. Who knows? But at least you have the opportunity in the comfort of your own home, in your underwear. You can go to the bathroom when you want, get up when you want, post when you want, have fun, screw off a little bit, make business cards, hand them out on a street level. But please don't try to explain this opportunity like I am right now to you. I enjoy doing videos like this. I record them, I put them on my YouTube channel, subscribe to it. I put it on my Facebook page and other social media platforms. And then I like to turn to email. I'm really good at email right now. I have 6 accounts with a company. They pay me about $2,300 a month. Each month they give me about $100 more. So if I keep doing this next 3, 4, 5 years, guys, I'm going to be bringing in 5 to 10 grand a month with a company that's giving me 2 to 3 to 5 to 1,000 email leads a day. People saying, please, is there anything out there that can make me money? Send me information. For $1 a day, I'm going to show you how you for $30 a month are going to get 3,000 email opportunities. Okay? They're going to come to you. All right? Those email leads, those email addresses. You will sit back and relax. I've got about 135, 150 emails that you can totally use for free. Just change them a little bit. Put your contact information and link, of course. And you'll see what I mean over a week or two, how easy it is. Hey, what's going on? Check this out. I think you're going to dig it. Send them a link, pleasewatchvideo.com. Right there, they'll look at the funnel. They look at LiveGood. They look at education. They look at all this stuff. And if they don't want to do anything, that's cool. But if they do want to join these opportunities, isn't it nice to know that you have 1 to 4 incomes with 1 click? Okay? I want you to make more than a diamond in LiveGood. And I don't even care if you have a sign up or not in LiveGood. I can show you. I can't promise you, but I will show you how you can make more than a diamond that has 2,500 people or more in their group. And you can have 1. Sign up that rhinoceros that you got in the backyard. Maybe you got, I don't know, an orangutan in your truck like Clint Eastwood and Any Which Way But Loose and Any Which Way You Can. Those are the best movies. Right Turn, Clyde. But I'll show you everything I do. I'm a storyteller. I'm full of poop, I guess. I like to just sit here and talk to you like a friend. I like to share my screen. I like to email you what I do. And if you like what you see, awesome. Give her a chance. Just look, make a decision, use that little brain. My brain's tiny, guys. That's why I have to wear a hat. Makes my head look bigger. Maybe I can put the webcam closer so my head looks bigger. You can see my cracks in my face. All right? With my Santa beard. Or is this Kentucky Fried Chicken guy? Or am I Kenny Rogers, the great singer? All right? When you get a silver beard, all right, you know a lot of stuff and you know what you don't want. And I sure in the hell ain't going back to college. And I don't have time to look, listen, sit and get addicted to learning by watching video after video after video. Then a month later, I want to watch more videos because I'm worried that if I take action and fail, I'm going to be bummed out. Then I have to go search for another opportunity, join that and fail. Okay? Don't do that. Think multiple streams of income. Get good at one opportunity. Believe in one opportunity like LiveGood and see if it's for you. And if it is, then let's put some salt, pepper, and gravy on that turkey. Let's put some whipped cream, cherry, and I don't know, maybe some apple pie with that ice cream. You want a taco? Soft or crunchy shell. Let's get meat, maybe some chicken tacos. Yum. I love cheese. Let's put some salsa. You want green, red? You get my thing now? LiveGood is delicious by itself, but it needs more tang. All right, I'm done. Peace, love. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get a hold of me if you need something. But I need you to just simply go to pleasewatchvid.com, and I'm going to pop that business card that I made at vistaprint.com real quick. Sometimes when you visually see it, it's a little easier to memorize it. Plus, all the links are below the video here. Okay. There you go, guys. Pleasewatchvideo.com. It is the best funnel, and it can pay bills, and boy, does it. But first, you just got to click that darn thing and sit back. Like I said, it's about a 20-minute video, and you can fast forward. You can pause it if you have to go tinkle, get a drink, but it goes fast. It's entertaining as hell. So, okay, guys, pleasewatchvideo.com. Thank you for your time. We'll talk to you next video, okay? All right, we'll see you guys.